YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Kalo, back with another video, making some fried shrimp real quick. Just got these fried shrimp. I just got the frozen ones from like Walmart or Winn-Dixie or wherever you shop at. I just got the little frozen ones, thawed them out, and then you see I'm about to cut the ends off, the tails. 9 times out of 10, when I get the frozen shrimp like that from the frozen section, I'm most likely gonna fry them. Like, I don't use them to do no crab boil or nothing like that. I just most likely fry them because I'm either gonna eat some French fries or a salad or make a po' boy with them, something like that. Then once I cut all the tails off, I'm gonna season one side and then I'm gonna throw them in my cornmeal and all-purpose flour mix. And really just half and half. I just throw them in a Ziploc bag or a plastic bag and shake them up and throw them in the fryer. Alright, got my yellow cornmeal. Got my all-purpose flour. Then I got some Zatarain's blackened seasoning. Zatarain be hitting. Then got some black pepper. And some garlic powder. Now while my oil heating up, I just go ahead and throw my shrimp in this mixture. And I use regular cooking oil. You can use any type of frying oil. And I usually use a thermometer to determine how hot the oil is, but I'm just gonna use the old school method this time. Just get a little bit of your flour mixture. Once it's about 10-15 minutes, just drop it in and see how hot it is. Go ahead, shake him up, get everything coated. And once I got them coated, I shake them off and throw them on a paper towel till they ready to go in the fryer. That way I ain't gotta shake them and then throw them one by one in the fryer fresh out the bag. It take more time like that, so I'm just saving a little bit of time. Now y'all see me doing the heat test. to see if the oil hot enough, but it wasn't quite hot enough, so I gave it a few more minutes. Then I went on and dropped them in. Take long to cook at all, so they really done in like 5 minutes or less. But you see me messing around with them, just trying to make sure it got that golden brown color. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna take them out, throw them on top of this salad, and I'm about to eat up. Alright, YouTube, that's it for this one. I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like, share, subscribe, tell somebody, tell a friend. You know what I'm saying? We trying to get this thing going, man. Y'all fool with the boy, man.